This is GATE 2016 Metallurgical Engineering question number 50. For a BCC metal, the ratio of the surface energy per unit area of 100 plane to that of the 110 plane is. So we have to give one value which we have to find the ratio between the 100 plane surface energy to the 110 plane surface energy. So the surface energy per unit area gamma is given by half of Nb into epsilon into rho A, where Nb denotes the number of broken bonds to create the new surface, and epsilon is the bond strength, and rho A is the number of atoms per unit area. So if we consider the BCC crystal, here you can see I have shown you 100 plane and I have shown you 110 plane. Now if you consider this, so this is the 100 plane which contains 1/4 of atom, like 1 2 3 4, and the total number of atoms if you calculate will be coming 1. So this is 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4, and here similarly 1 is the center atom, and here there are 4 different atoms. Hence now you have to find out, if we cut through this plane, how many bonds will be broken. So this is 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4. So number of bonds broken to create new surface will be 1 here. And similarly here, if you see, so if you cut by this plane, these 2 bonds will be gone, these 2 bonds. Hence you are cutting only 2 bonds here, and here you are cutting 1 2 3 4 bonds here. So for 100, if you put with this, for 100 half of into 4 bonds you are breaking, especially 1 2 3 4 of the crystal. Like if you can imagine, out of this plane similar crystal will be there, and you are breaking this 4 bonds. So here 4 comes. Epsilon is the bond strength, we don't have to take care of that. And here we have to calculate this area, which will be A square basically. So number of atoms, atom is only 1 here, 1, this is 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4. So 1 atom divided by A square, the area of this plane. Similarly for 110, gamma is given by the same formula. Here number of broken bonds, as I told you, if you can cut from this 1 2 bonds will be broken, epsilon remains same, bond strength, because these are the same atoms. And here as you can see, number of atoms will be this complete one, and this 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4. So this accounts for 1 and this complete one. So 2 atoms divided by, this will be √2a and this will be a. So √2a into a, so √2a square, and this becomes √2 of 1/a square. So if you take the energy ratio, here you can see this is 2 divided by √2, which is 1.414. This is the answer.